Hello everyone. In today's interview, we have with us Gencleus Pharma Private Limited CEO and Zanurved Research Head, Mr. Dr. Ramakrishna Aradhyula. So let's talk to him. Hello, sir.
Good morning.
Very good morning, sir. How are you doing?
Fine.
Yeah. So, sir, can you explain us about your research and at the same time about the products you have?
Exactly. Definitely, I'll tell you. See, let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Ramakrishna Aradhyula from Gencleus Pharma Private Limited. I'm CEO of the company and research head of Genurved Advanced Research and Knowledge Center. In fact, Gencleus means gene plus nucleus.
Wow.
We named this company because all our products revolves around gene and gene structure. To be precisely with you, the products and remedies are from the ancient science.
Okay.
The ancient science of India is known as Ayurveda. Ayurveda. That means Veda is one thing which is a grammar which you cannot change it. This is about Ayur means the life. It's about the longevity of the life. So most unfortunately today the longevity is a big question. See, there are certain issues and certain happenings in the world which made us or inspired us to bring the certain tenets and our research products. See, the first and foremost important issue I'll tell you a story about the human beings. Before that, let me tell you one thing. Sariram jajri bhute vyatikraste kalebaram aushadam jaknui toyam vaidjo narayano harihi. This is the Bhagavad Gita scripture where Lord Krishna told that I myself is the medicine and I myself is the doctor. In fact, the exact meaning of Chariram Jajre Bhute, see, when the body is full of diseases, and in this particular environment, it is more specific, it is full of diseases because of various situations in the atmosphere. And when this particular body is subjected to different types of diseases, there is no medicine other than the Ganga water, and Swayam Vishnu himself will come and solve your problems. Here, Lord Vishnu means nothing but Prakriti. The meaning of Vishnu is means everywhere. The meaning of Vishnu is means everywhere. Sarvabhuta Vyapti. See, Vishnu is everywhere means nothing but it is Prakriti. It is the nature. And nature gives you lots of medicines. Just to confirm this, I'll tell you a story. It's a story of a goat. See, when goat is pregnant and it got to deliver the baby,
Okay.
it eats a particular leaf. And in normal time, it won't touch that leaf at all. And just after eating that leaf, the goat will deliver the baby within half an hour.
Wow.
So our research started where exactly and what exactly this leaf contains. Surprisingly, we saw a lot of uterine dilators in that particular leaf.
Okay.
And it is shocking for us. That means
What is the leaf name, sir?
it is called Jilledu in Telugu,
Okay.
and it is a particular belongs to Euphorbiaceae family. Euphorbiaceae family tree one. It's not exactly Jilledu. It is belongs to Jilledu family, but it is belongs to Euphorbiaceae family.
Okay.
And that particular leaf, normal time, goat will not touch that leaf at all. And within half an hour, the goat will deliver a safe baby.
No.
That means Prakriti, nature can give you everything. The medicines are imbibed in the nature. Here the question is how goat knows that this particular leaf is useful for the delivery.
Yeah.
This is a question. That means nature itself inspires you to use the medicines. In fact, all our ancient system, it is full of scriptures in Sanskrit slokas about the medicines, and all these things are available in the book form. But that particular Sanskrit is out of India, and we are not studying that. And how it is so old book, and I think it is 3000 BC. That is what people says. But before that, Ayurveda exists, which according to me, maybe they might have scripted it before 3000 BC. That explains you everything. It explains about every plant and the medicinal values, how to use and how to formulate it is also there in that particular book, which we call it as Ayurveda. See how we got Ayurveda for ourselves in India. Like that, Chinese got their own Ayurveda. That is called Tansui. And like that, Africans got their own Ayurveda. And the herbal science is as ancient as the human being. Diseases are as old as human beings. So the science also as old as. And we got remedies in every medicines. So I thought that why not we focus on this particular plants. The difference between Ayurveda and our products, which we can tag it as nutraceuticals. The difference between nutraceutical and Ayurveda is giving the leaf as such. Making it as a powder and putting it in a capsule form or making it a tablet form, and we give it as a pill. But here, nutraceutical is one thing which works exactly from that particular plant or leaf. We remove it and we give it as a capsule. That is the difference between nutraceutical and Ayurveda. That works more specifically. Here, the important point is, though the science is advancing, though the English medicines are dominating, but they are having severe side effects. Whereas Ayurvedic medicines, what it is, or nutraceutical medicines, they are almost free from side effects.
Okay.
The medicine which is specifically told for that disease, if you use it, there won't be any side effects. I'm not telling that Ayurveda is harmless. There are certain harmful herbs also in Ayurveda, which you know it very well. Right? See, I'm not going to that particular detail. See, there are certain tenets which inspired us to go further research. The need of these particular products, the need of our is, see, for example, the environmental pollution is a growing menace.
Yeah.
We cannot control it. See, recently I studied in one statistics that around 1,25,000 vehicles getting registered in Hyderabad. So many vehicles are disposing? No, not even 10,000 vehicles are getting disposed. That means day by day, every minute, every hour, the pollution is adding. And your environment is fully toxic loaded.
Yeah.
And every particular part of this pollution will play a havoc in your body.
Yeah.
And your
That
cells are
shows
fight.
effect on our health.
Yeah, definitely. It's a snowball effect, as you said. Yes, snowball effect, and it definitely spells on your health. It is gradually decreasing the quality of life. And the environment is changed. The environment what you are living is not the environment which our ancestors lived happily.
Exactly.
Without any doctor, without any medicines, they could able to survive. How? Only with food. My research is bringing products from the food itself. That means my argument is food itself is a medicine for you. Only thing is you are not taking the proper food. So let me give it as a pill to you, the exact thing what you want.
In the form of a medicine.
Medicine. Okay. You have to take it because it's nothing but nutrient only. What I am giving is not a medicine, it is a nutrient. But it works like a medicine. See, the third thing is your environment pollution is very high. And environment got changed and toxic loaded substances are playing a havoc. And third thing is today your lungs are number one predictor for your disease. See, this particular environmental pollution, what we are talking, will cause you a particular condition called chronic inflammation. Today, doctors and every entire world accepted that 95% diseases are because of this chronic inflammation of the vital organs.
Okay.
Can we bring some food product to reduce this chronic inflammation? Yes, that is what exactly our research. And today, the oxygen availability is a big question mark. You cannot survive without oxygen. There are two important things here. One is availability of oxygen. Second thing is the oxygen should reach to minute cells of your body. Number one, availability of oxygen. With 4% oxygen, we are surviving happily. See, if you go to a village and sleep under a tree, next day morning you will be refreshed like anything because of the full of oxygen. And second thing is this oxygen should reach to every cell of your body. That's a big question mark. And if you lack the nutrients like proteins, fatty acids, vitamins, this oxygen will not reach to your cells. Both are important. So what I am doing is the oxygen level, can I increase it in the human body by way of food? This is what our next research. And second thing, see, this particular environmental pollution and genetically modified foods. These foods are causing a lot of damage to the individuals. The estrogen levels are daily, it is going on a growing, what you call this thing. Because your animals are loaded with full of estrogen. Chicken, goats, mutton, all these things are fully loaded with estrogen. Because these ranchers, the mutton operators, they feed this particular estrogen to the animals because estrogen has got a tendency to increase the fat.
Okay.
See, why today people are becoming fat? Because of that estrogen depositions in your body. This particular condition is called estrogen dominant syndrome. There is no medicine right now in the market. Estrogen dominant syndrome. Can we remove that particular estrogen out of the body? Okay. Yes, it is possible through food. This particular estrogen making our people as impotent. See, Indian culture or Indian heritage is such that even if you perform marriage at the age of 80, he can produce children. But today, people are becoming impotent by age of 30.
Yeah.
Number one, estrogen loading is because of not only because of this particular chicken, mutton and everything, dairy products also, because they are feeding estrogens to the dairy animals.
Yeah, and the
milk and all those things, dairy products also contains this particular estrogen. How dangerous it is. And people are becoming impotent. They are robbed of this particular sex and everything. See, what is happening is this particular issues causing lot of damage to the public. So our research started focusing on this. Can we solve the problems? This is the problem. Can we give some solution from our food source or Ayurvedic source or any other sources of the other literature of the world? We are bringing the herbs, beautiful herbs, and we are removing that particular important ingredient from the herbs, and we are giving it in the capsule form, tablet form, and many other forms, many other dosage forms and everything to your public. See here, I would like to talk on number of episodes. I'll present you with this particular product, how this product will work for you, and how you can prepare that product in your house, or if you want that product, where it is available. These things definitely I will tell you one by one.
Sure, sir.
Thank you very much.